It is perhaps India's most precious commodity. It inspires legends and poetry, dance and song. Water. It is a powerful symbol of life in South Asia, and for good reason. In a land that relies heavily on agriculture, the chronic lack of rain is a constant hardship. Water is only used for the absolute essentials, but even then it is hard to come by. In Rajasthan, these women walk 3 miles to bring water to their village. By May, the wells are almost dry. India anxiously awaits the summer monsoon, with its 3 months of life-giving rain. Only a good and timely monsoon can ward off the specters of drought and famine. While meteorologists try to predict its exact arrival, the rest of India makes last-minute preparations. Along the coast, fishermen make their final trips before being ordered ashore for the season. In the villages, umbrella menders ply their trade. In Calcutta, workers ready ancient sewers for the deluge. And a deluge it is. It will rain on and off, but mostly on, for 90 days. During that time, South Asia will receive nearly 80% of its annual precipitation. In the countryside, farmers plant rice in the wet fields. In the villages, life goes on, with umbrellas. Even city dwellers welcome the rain and shrug off the inconvenience. The foothills of the towering Himalaya are witness to extremes of the monsoon drama. The mountain town of Cherrapunji is known as one of the wettest places on Earth. The weekly rainfall is measured in feet rather than inches. The water swelling the neighboring streams and rivers will help to sustain India for the rest of the year. Yet the monsoon has a darker side as well. The rain streaming down the mountains often contributes to landslides and swollen rivers. In the delta regions of northern India and Bangladesh, where the rivers meet the rising sea, there is widespread flooding. This threat of destruction does not keep South Asia from welcoming the monsoon. For the people, the rains provide not just an end to parched earth and dry wells, but also a tonic for the soul.